What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency update video. So I know it's been a while since I uploaded any video, guys, on my YouTube channel. It's because I've been currently working hard on my VIP Telegram, etc. If you're not already on my free Telegram, go check it out, guys. I give all my up-to-date trades, analysis, etc. in real time, guys. So if you haven't gone already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. You get all my updates, analysis in real time, and the link will be in the description. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what I'm currently watching, Theta. I'm also going to be doing a quick breakdown of BTC. As you guys know, at the moment BTC has been in the spotlight. We've had all the hype, BTC halving. It's been one of the most searched things on the internet at the moment, guys. So I'm going to give you my opinion on what I believe is happening with the price of BTC. But first of all, I'm going to jump into Theta, guys. Like I said, if you don't follow me already on my Telegram, guys, we gave a trade call about Theta many weeks ago, guys. So this was the original call, guys. I gave it back about 3 weeks ago, and we had a trade of over 100%. So some people think, right, we caught this trade over 100%, that's it, price is going down. But I just want to cover you what we've got up and coming with Theta. I'm just going to have a quick overview of what actual Theta is and where I can see price going in the next few weeks on, maybe into the end of the year. So first of all, Theta, as you can see, first of all, they've got a countdown to mainnet 2.0, which again I believe is kind of fueling this run that we have here. They have got a working product. I mean, the aim of the Theta token is, so for example, my computer switched off, I can give bandwidth to someone else so they can download and stream videos a lot more faster and a lot more quicker and at better quality. Also, they have a Theta.tv app, and so basically it's an app that runs on Theta, and you get T-Fuel, so it's like another token that basically powers Theta for just downloading the app and watching the TV, etc. through the Theta.tv. So they have got a working project and they have got a great team, guys. If I just want to scroll down to the team as well and the investors they have, guys. So this is the team here as well. They've got a very credible team. And I was just looking at the investors. So they've got the Sony Innovation Fund, Samsung, etc. So they have got credible investors that actually have taken this product seriously. And also the media advisor is Stephen Chen. He is the co-founder of YouTube, and they've got some really credible advisors here, as you say, the co-founder of Twitch, the CEO of G Fuel. So they're looking to break into the market, even with gaming, etc. So it just that's what I like to see in cryptocurrencies, an actual project or token that solves a real world issue and then actually got a working product. But back to the price action, because obviously that's what I'm best at, is technical analysis rather than fundamental analysis. But just having a quick view of the product, it looks like a decent project, and they have got a working project, which is important. Like I said, we have the mainnet in 14 days, which I said I believe is fueling this kind of this 411% run that we have seen recently. And this is what I potentially could see happening. So if I drop it down to the daily time frame, you can see we're currently above the candle bodies of the February run, and like I said, if we do have a candle body closure above this previous high and above that high that we had back in May, I believe we could see a run up in price all the way up to the next fib extension, which is roughly 16% at 20 cents. And again, it would not surprise me if we did get another run up and we broke through that and we hit the 25 cents, which aligns perfectly with the 786 fib extension. So I drew this fib extension from the high that we had back in June all the way back down to the low that we had in March, when we had that huge drop in price. And it just seems to align that perfectly, that at least I'm guessing the 618 extension is going to be tested. However, we do need to take out this previous high on the daily that we saw back in February. If we do take it out, I believe we'll hit these upper targets. So just something to keep an eye on, guys. A decent project. We have mainnet 2.0 coming out. Technicals are looking great. So a test of these two fibs looks highly possible. So over to Bitcoin. So guys, unless you've been living under a rock, we've had the Bitcoin halving take place, and it was a very hyped up event. It's whatever it was on everyone's lips. I've got a million questions and a million messages. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? And pretty much these events, they're so hyped up, and we didn't get much action. So we saw a price drop 2 days before the halving. So we had a huge drop of roughly 16% to the downside, and then yesterday we had crazy choppy action. So we had candles go from the low here, so we had 10% rises, and then we had 10% drops to the downside. And so far all we had is just very choppy price action. Back to the hourly. I mean, everyone at the moment was just watching this channel, which price was currently traveling. So we had this channel here where price was traveling. We had a break up. So I highlighted this ascending triangle. So we had upsloping support here, guys, and we had an attempt to break to the upside, but we found again resistance. We found resistance again at previous resistance, and resistance was found once again. But the interesting thing is that we came and found support back at previous support of this upsloping trend line. So it looks we could have another attempt. But like I was saying into the trading group, the more times a resistance or support gets tapped, the weaker it becomes. And on the hourly, we've had multiple taps of this region, and the bears keep stepping in each time. If we do have a clean break above this region, it will definitely send price back to this region here. So if I just flip it onto the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we have the 4 hour 50 moving average. It lines up perfectly where we had this previous rejection at this wick. So if we do get a break, I'm expecting a 2.5% increase to the upside, around about $9,170. If we do take out this previous weekly high here, then I believe it will take us to roughly $10,000. 9,500 will be the first resistance, and then further up it will be roughly about $10,000 where we have that CME gap also formed. I just want to quickly show you the CME gap. So a lot of people have been asking me, what is the CME gap? So what happened is, so the CME runs Monday till Friday, and so price on Friday closed at $10,060. Come Monday morning, because we had that drop in exchanges over the weekend, it has created this gap. And you might not know, but these gaps are filled 80% of the time. I shared a great post and analysis about why these feel, how often they feel, etc. So once again, go follow me on Telegram if you haven't already. So more than likely, I'm expecting, I'll say this now, this 10,000 will get filled eventually. It could be 1 week, it can be tomorrow, it can be next month, it can be in 2 months, but eventually we will have another surge to 10,000 to fill this gap, guys. I mean, CME at the moment, they are pumping in the volume, guys, on BTC. The open interest is always now in the billions on the CME futures, and they will be looking to trade this aggressively. To be honest, this opportunity is too good to not to take. A 14% to the uprise on leverage is great returns. So just a recap. So Theta, looking to take out these two candle body closures to see more upside of 16 to possibly 46 potential upside. Again, with BTC, if we look at the bearish side as well, if we do get candle body closure, I believe under 8,400, we will definitely sink down to the downside. However, if we do happen to get a candle body closure above $8,950, then we'll be going to the upside, and I believe that CME futures gap will be eventually be filled. So just a quick brief video, guys, of what I'm watching with Theta coming up in 2 weeks, guys. You said it. I will cover back in 2 weeks, and we see where we are at with this potential trade setup, etc. I'm also going to be covering BTC a lot more in depth on a daily basis on my free Telegram. Once again, link is in the description, guys. And apologies for the lack of videos recently, guys. Like I said, I've been working on my VIP trading group, guys. I've been working to get that up and started. If you're interested, all the details are in my free Telegram, etc. All the link will be in the description, and I will promise you I'll be doing videos at least once or twice a week, and over the next week or so I'm going to try and upload it at least every other day. So once again, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris.